Welcome to day 6. Our lesson. This is letter Q. The sound is Q. Q. Say Q. Q is for queen. Q. Quail. Q. Quilt. Queen. Quail. Quilt. Q. Q. Quill. Q. Question. Q. Walker oat. Quill. Question. Quaker oat. Qu. Letter R. R says R. R. Say R. R. Rock. R. Red. R. Robot. Rock. Red. Robot. R. R. Roast. R. Room. R. Ribbon. Roast. Room. Ribbon. R. Letter S. The sound is say is for sun. Seal. Sock. Sun. Seal. Sock. Is for sack. Sail. Sit. Sack. Sail. Sit. This is letter T. T says T. T. Say T. T is for time. T. Tail. T. Talk. Time. Tail. Talk. T. Top. T. Ten. T. Tenth. Top. Ten. Tenth. T. Remember the letter and the sound. Q. Q. R. R. S. T. T. Children, it's your turn. Good job. Do this activity. If you're done, let's check. Letter Q. Q. Queen. Letter S. Sit. R. Robot. T. Tent. S. Sail. T. Ten. Q. Quaker oat. R. Red. You're the best, children.